Hello and welcome to this review featuring the official LED cover from Samsung for their new Galaxy Note 9. A staple of Samsung's official range over the years, the LED cover hasn't changed much at all, and while some may see this as a negative, it also points to the fact that this case and its design ticks all the boxes you could ask for, so no real need to improve upon something that works so well. The case, which is available in multiple colour options to perfectly suit your style and your Note 9, really does look the part when on. The sophisticated woven fabric feel creates a premium texture that feels great in hand and provides a little extra grip than is often the case with other shiny leather cases of a similar style. While quite understated when not in use, the case jumps into life when a notification is received, highlighting text as well as allowing you to answer and reject incoming calls. I love how subtle yet eye-catching these notifications are. They don't overpower the case, but are still visible enough to keep you in the know without having to open the front cover. The LED cover will also allow you to quickly see the time so that you can stay on track throughout your day, while the ability to assign funky icons to your favourite contacts is another smart way of showing off your new cover. And the handy features don't end there, as the LED cover is also compatible with sleep wake functionality, allowing you to save battery life by turning off your display whenever the cover is closed, as well as conveniently waking it for you when open. The cover even features an interior card slot, and while there's only room for one, this is still a nice way of keeping your most important card with you at all times while you leave your heavy wallet or purse at home. Protection wise, the case represents a great way of keeping your Note 9 safe and secure. The solid clip-on housing ensures that your Note 9 won't be going anywhere, while the 360 covering keeps your back, sides and screen protected against scratches and scrapes. What's truly great about the LED cover is that there's no need to charge the case. It will keep you updated as long as your phone has the power to do the same, and its functionality is simple to set up. Simply place your phone into the case, close the front cover and you're good to go. Overall, a fine choice for any Note 9 owner looking to equip their phone with stylish, functional and supremely smart protection in an official offering like no other. If you would like to know more or even purchase the LED cover, then please see the link in the description and the comments below.